come up with your vision. We make you realize it by our dedicated mission. Hello everyone, I am Karthikeyan from Incur IAS Academy. Today we are going to talk about Indus Water Treaty and related issues. This is a part of international relations, UPSC Mains GS2. Objections from India. Left bank outfall drain is a project constructed by Pakistan on the west bank of rivers. It passes through Run of Kutch, and also it's constructed without consent of India. The river can be originated from somewhere and it will be flowing through many countries. Finally, it drain to sea or ocean or big lakes. So the confluence states, usually called as the lower riparian states. So it should be consulted with the lower riparian states. So in this case, India is the lower riparian state, and without our consent, Pakistan constructed the project. It posed a danger to the state of Gujarat. It may flood into Gujarat state. So India raised its objection for this project. Over 70 years of the independence, Pakistan made a lot of mistakes against India, especially provoking terrorism in India and trying to reduce the economic stability of India. So India is also responding then and there when Pakistan provoking some activities in India or against India. India also responding with the correct measures. Pakistan's activities are changing India's mind and its relation towards Pakistan. What are the important incidents made by Pakistan which made India to change its stand against Pakistan? The Pathankot Air Base attack of January 2016, Uri attack of September 2016, Pulwama attack of 2019. These are the main activities of Pakistan and are Pakistan sponsored activities made the relation goes worsen. It's now seeing the downward spiral of its relation between India and Pakistan. Also, India identified the mistakes in the Treaty of 1960. It means Indus Water Treaty of 1960. According to the Indian Constitution, whatever the law, it should be made on the head of the state. The treaty should be signed by then the President Dr. Rajendra Prasad. But the authority signed was late former Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Also, so far India was not completely utilized the eastern banks of rivers and sharing some waters to Pakistan because India is thinking the welfare of farmers of Pakistan also, because their livelihood also heavily impacted if India completely stopped the waters from Sutlej, Bias and Ravi. So India so far released, even though India can have 100% share in the water, India shown its mankind and released waters to Pakistan farmers also. But due to these kind of security threat to India made by Pakistan or Pakistan sponsorship, India started to build projects in Shahpur Kandi, Uj multipurpose project and second Ravi Bias link. These are completely diverting the entire water towards India, especially in the Haryana and Punjab region, not having any idea to share any water to Pakistan in these rivers. Options for India. There are some options for India in this. Also, those options make some challenges for India. Many experts are saying that, many international affairs experts are saying that the Indus Water Treaty is one-sided and India can abrogate the Indus Water Treaty. Also in the treaty said that the Indus Water Treaty cannot be ignored by a single party. It can be ignored by or changed by both party. If abrogated, India's image will be impacted in the international arena. If India decides to come out of the treaty, it violates completely the Vienna Convention on Law of Treaties in the year of 1969. India also ratified in this treaty. It is called Treaty of Treaties. Also, India already signed similar agreements with its neighbors. So, if India decides to come out of the treaty, other stakeholders, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Nepal also skeptical about the similar treaties. India has to build adequate infrastructure to utilize the permitted share by this treaty. And if India is coming out of the treaty and stopping the complete waters, the same can be stopped by China also, because Indus originated from China and passes through India and then passes through Pakistan, finally reaching Arabian Sea. Also, the major share of water from the Brahmaputra is coming from China. So they will also block the water to Assam, because in the current international arena, both China and Pakistan are assumed as a fronts. Also, India is planning for its permanent membership in the United Nations Security Council. So, if India violates or India abrogates some bilateral laws, it may impact in the permanent seat of UN Security Council. Thank you. Hope a good listening.